Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out some new things that I got from Amazon and using some old polygels. So first things first, I'm just going to start out with just kind of roughing up my nails a little bit and pushing my cuticles back. And then I'm going to use the nail dehydrator, the nail primer, and then I am going to add my base coat of gelish, and then I'm going to start. So at first I was going to use my Macart polygel, but I was like, no, I'm going to use this cheap stuff that I have left over. I did a review on it in a previous video, so if you want to know how I feel about it, then, you can click on that link. I'll add it in the cards. But basically, I'm just going to go ahead and add some of that polygel. It's very inexpensive. I think I may have paid $2 or $3. And then this is some glitter that I got from Etsy. And I kind of wanted like that peachish, kind of like nude type color. So that's where I got the idea of mixing these to see how it would go. So I just added more polygel until I got the consistency that I wanted. And then once I got it mixed very good, then I went ahead and let it sit for about 10 minutes before I started applying the polygel. Now, in all fairness, this is not my favorite polygel, but hey, for $2, $3, I'm going to use it until I at least use it all up. But I will say, in my last video, when I tried this polygel, I think I used like 70% alcohol or something. This time around, I used 91%, and it was way easier to work with. So, in all fairness, it may have just been I needed a higher percentage of alcohol. So, I do feel like it went a lot smoother this time around. So yeah, that's just a little update. But I just basically went ahead and I cured my nails, and I still don't feel like this is the strongest polygel. Like, Macart is just my absolute favorite, but it did, it does the job. It'll last me 2-3 weeks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you just a couple of nails, and I'm just applying it. I'm estimating about how much I need, but the mixture that I made was enough for all 10 nails. So just to give you an idea about how much you need to make, depending on the length that you want them to be, but it was more than enough. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share, all of those things, and I'll see you on my next video.